What is a holistic progress card? It has replaced report cards in schools across 26 states. A total of 26 states and union territories in India have adopted a new system to assess the education and development of school students through the Holistic Progress Card (HPC). However, 10 states, including Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal, have yet to implement it. According to a report by Hindustan Times, Chief Executive Officer of the Central Assessment Centre Parukh, Indrani Bhattari, shared these details. The HPC has been developed by Parukh Performance Assessment, Review and Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development, the National Assessment Centre under the National Council of Educational Research and Training (CERT), as part of the National Education Policy. NEP 2020. NANAN. The Holistic Progress Card is a new form of student report card that goes beyond marks or grades. It evaluates the overall development of students, including their thought processes, emotional intelligence, and participation in physical activities. The card highlights which skills a child is developing or may develop in the future. It also shows whether the child is at the beginner level or has achieved proficiency in a particular skill, helping teachers and parents identify areas where additional support may be needed. NANAN. The HPC is currently designed for students from nursery to class 8. It is expected to be implemented for classes 9 and 10 in the future. As per the Hindustan Times report, while 26 states and UTs have begun using or are in the process of adopting the system, states such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal have not adopted it yet. NANAN. The card has been developed by Parukh, an organization under CERT responsible for assessing student learning. Parukh is also working on digitizing the progress card to make it easier for teachers to fill out. The card is being translated into 26 regional languages to facilitate adoption across different states. Swipe left for next video. NANAN teachers are being trained to use the card effectively. Parukh is conducting training at the block level for master trainers and is focusing on skill-based learning alongside academic progress. Schools are being encouraged to integrate various skill development activities into their curriculum to support students' holistic growth. Latest blogs.